Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned postpositions in Tulu. Today we are going to learn conjunctions in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Conjunctions are words that link two parts of a sentence. Here are some of the conjunctions used in Tulu. Bokka means and. La means and or also or even. Anda but, andala but even so, but still or though. Attada or attanda means or if not so. Ijjida or ijjanda means or if not so. Dayapanda because aiku or aikadu or aikatra, therefore or for that reason. Airdatra or Airdavara, therefore or because of that. Anchadu, therefore. Ancha or incha, thus or so. Apanda, in that case, or if it is so. Vanje, Ijjida, either or. Vanje, Attada, either or. La, irvedla or radla, both and. La at, neither nor. La ijji, neither nor. Matra at la, not only but also. Matra attande la, not only but also. Okay, now let us see example sentences using these conjunctions. Petta bokka pili, cow and tiger. Painting podu ari bokka sakkare kanala. Go to the bazaar and bring some rice and sugar. In Tulu, we don't have exact word for and in English. We use bokka and la to convey the meaning of and. Bokka means actually after or later. La means also. In spoken Tulu, la is used more than bokka. Ila ya la means you and I. Pettala pilila, cow and tiger. Pettala pilila. Appela magalla batter. Mother and daughter came. Appela magalla batter. When we add la to two or more than two words in a sentence, it gives the meaning of and. When we add la to only one word in a sentence, it gives the meaning of also or even. Ayla batte. He also came. Ayla batte. Yan kudlagu poondulle ila barpana. I am going to Mangalore. Will you come too? Yan kudlagu poondulle ila barpana. Arla enalettijir. Even he or she didn't call me. Arla enalettijir. Manasedda ittandu. Anda enkishta aiji. The food was good, but I didn't like. Akulu eddagobbir. Andala gendera aiji. Though they played well, they could not win. Akulu eddagobbir. Andala gendera aiji. Cha attada coffee. Tea or coffee. Cha attada coffee. Where ijjanda neeru. Milk or water. Where ijjanda neeru. Ellattanda ellonji barpe. I will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Ella attanda ellonji barpe. Aini ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋತಿಜೆ ದಯಪಂಡ ಆಯ್ಗು ಹುಷಾರಿಜ್ಜಿ. He has not gone to the school today because he is not feeling well. Aye ini ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋತಿಜೆ ದಯಪಂಡ ಆಯ್ಗು ಹುಷಾರಿಜ್ಜಿ. Ink bachadittandu, I illade poya. I was tired, therefore I went home. Ink bachadittandu, I illade poya. Yan ಗೆದ್ದುವೆ ಅಂಚಾದು ಈ ಸೋಪುವ. I win, therefore you lose. ಯಾನ್ ಗೆದ್ದುವೆ ಅಂಚಾದು ಈ ಸೋಪುವ. ಎಂಕ್ ಹುಷಾರಿತ್ತಿಜಿ ಐಡ್ದಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ಜಿ. I was not feeling well, therefore I could not come. ಎಂಕ್ ಹುಷಾರಿತ್ತಿಜಿ ಐಡ್ದಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ಜಿ. I ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಓದುದಿತ್ತಿಜೆ ಅಂಚ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯೆ. He had not studied for the exam, thus he failed. I ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಓದುದಿತ್ತಿಜೆ ಅಂಚ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯೆ. ಈ ಬರೊಂದಿಜ್ಜನ ಅಪಂಡ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಪೋಪುಜೆ. Aren't you coming? If so, I will not go too. ಈ ಬರೊಂದಿಜ್ಜನ ಅಪಂಡ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಪೋಪುಜೆ. ಕಾಪಿಜ್ಜ ಅಪಂಡ ಚಾವ್. There is no coffee. In that case, I will have tea. ಕಾಪಿಜ್ಜ ಅಪಂಡ ಚಾವ್. ಒಂಜೆ ಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಇಜ್ಜಂಡ ಮೆಗ್ಗೇನ್ ಕಡಪಡುವೆ. Either I will come or I will send my younger brother. ಒಂಜೆ ಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಇಜ್ಜಂಡ ಮೆಗ್ಗೇನ್ ಕಡಪಡುವೆ. ಒಂಜೆ ಮೂಲ್ ಕುಲ್ಲು ಅತ್ತಡ ಎನ್ನೊಟ್ಟುಗು ಬಲ. Either stay here or come with me. ಒಂಜೆ ಮೂಲ್ ಕುಲ್ಲು ಅತ್ತಡ ಎನ್ನೊಟ್ಟುಗು ಬಲ. ಅಪ್ಪೆಲ ಮಗಲ್ಲ ಇರುವೆರ್ಲ ಬತ್ತೇರ್. Both mother and daughter came. ಅಪ್ಪೆಲ ಮಗಲ್ಲ ಇರುವೆರ್ಲ ಬತ್ತೇರ್. ನಾಯಿಲ ಪುಚ್ಚೆಲ ರಡ್ಡುಲ ಬಲ್ತಾ. Both dog and cat ran away. ನಾಯಿಲ ಪುಚ್ಚೆಲ ರಡ್ಡುಲ ಬಲ್ತಾ. ಈಲ ಪಂಡಿಜ ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತಿಲ ಪಂಡಿಜೆ. Neither you nor your friend told me. ಈಲ ಪಂಡಿಜ ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತಿಲ ಪಂಡಿಜೆ. ಅವು ಮೂಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. It's neither here not there. ಅವು ಮೂಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜಿ. ಅವು ನಾಯಿಲ ಅತ್ತು ಕುದುಕೆಲ ಅತ್ತು. It's neither dog nor fox. ಅವು ನಾಯಿಲ ಅತ್ತು ಕುದುಕೆಲ ಅತ್ತು. ಪೀಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತು ಜಾನ್ಲ ಬೈದೆ. Not only Peter but also John has come. ಪೀಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತು ಜಾನ್ಲ ಬೈದೆ. ಈ ಊರು ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತಂದ ಶೋಕುಲ ಉಂಡು. This village is not only clean but also beautiful. ಈ ಊರು ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅತ್ತಂದ ಶೋಕುಲ ಉಂಡು. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson we will learn future perfect tense in Tulu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.